way. Yes, yes, yes. This will get us to the service roads. So I was scoping these spots on Google. Yes. No, this way. This way. This way will go up. How? Yes.
Go
Up. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Right here. I found this on Google. Google, yes, thank you. This is the service road. How? Service road, service road. Let's go to the service road. Woo! Yep, yep, exactly.
Oh.
Yep, and then this way. Bro, now we have these roads together.
Google Maps.
Google Maps. I was trying to figure out how we could get on these crazy service roads because it's all for like work vehicles and we get to go to the sick landslide. I can see it. I can see the landslide up there. We got a random party shack. Hi, Doy. It's a party. It's the party shack. Again, another spot where no one can bug us. Service roads. Another one. Look what we're pulling up on here. We're pulling up on the spot, brother. Brother. Now, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. This is the epic landslide spot. 2 years I've been dreaming of this spot. And now it's finally here. This is so sick, dude. Huh. Bro.
Wow.
Let's go!
Let's go!
We got to the spot. Let's frickin' go!
Yeah.
This is crazy, bro. Sanhao. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Ah, cool, cool.
You buy?
Yeah, I'll fly. You have the screen? 你好。
你好，你好，你好。来，hello。
它没有电。
Oh, it's okay.
我还有在玩啊，可是我不要，我玩那个大疆那种，
大疆的也可以啊，只是那个它可能
速度没有那么快。
它会被限制，它速度也没那么快。
我看你玩啊。
可以啊，可以啊，可以啊。
我看到好
，Go。好好。
哦，我冲山头这样下来，镜头一定很漂亮。
那
很漂
个
亮。Yeah, yeah.
阿巴塔。
I think I forgot to press record.
What?
Yeah, I didn't press record.
Really?
Yeah, because this guy.
Oh no!
Yeah, I pressed that one. Ah!
Oh no!
It's okay. It's okay.
我们可以再充个电。
You can charge it again.
All right, well, I forgot to press record for the one battery, but I got redemption battery. So we're gonna move down the street before the sun goes. And bye-bye. Okay, quick location changed. Go, go, go. It's getting cloudy. All right, we're done with over here. Now, that's the one we need. That one looks pretty good too, but that one is good. Let's get right in front of it. Yeah. Cool. This one is good. Yeah. Oh. New spot. Good line of sight. How? I don't know how long I have in FPV, but I think that this sums up what FPV is all about. You go home?
Yeah. Go home.
Drone go home.
Yeah.
Okay, Mewenti. You just you got scared, eh? My brother. My brother. My brother is my fam. My fam is my brother. Don't be scared. These are your mountains, bro.
So remember this spot? Yeah, we're at the yellow arrow. King decided it would be a great idea to go on the other side of the mountain, because you'd get really good signal there. Good idea, King.
Come on, Bishop. Yeah, yeah.
Well, after a long day of traveling and flying and having a great time, we're done. We have all of our drones, we're all safe, and Tianchi Buhao. But
Yeah.
good day, bro.
Yeah.
Good job, man. A+.
Good.
Hell yeah. That's what FPV is all about.
There
Yeah.
you go.
Okay, let's go. What about the? I think everything's packed up properly, sort of. Good enough. Huh. Oh. Bye-bye. It's time to go home. Doggies, our little ones. Hi.
耶，来
Hi, doggy. 你好。
来过来，
Hi.
来，
Bye. Oh, such good doggies.
拜拜。
Yeah, and then, yeah. Hi, doggies. Back up. Hi, doggies. Hello. Yeah. 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 How? Yeah, and then straight. How. Oh, shit.
你后面有很多车。
Night market. We just pulled up to this random night market. Gotta get some food.
Let's go.
Let's go. We gotta get some food. Smells so good. My brother, we're at the night market. What's it out carnation? Yeah, I get some of this. Yeah.
王宇正大份，
有什么口味？这边都可以任意搭配。
有原味、胡椒、
Pepper salt.
辣味，
胡椒盐。
还有胡椒粉。可以帮我分2份。
跟你说150两份。好，另外一个口味要。
Yummy. We're in a rush to catch our train. We gotta get on the Gaozie.
列车停妥后，